of the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who inspected the crash site hours after the tragedy, assured that thorough investigation will be carried out to ascertain the cause of the crash. The Home Minister also visited the civil hospital in Ahmedabad to meet those who have been injured, and he also met the lone survivor from the plane crash. Now, as far as what is being said, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will shortly be also landing in Ahmedabad, and sources say that the Gujarat administration is set to be on standby with the expected arrival to happen at around 7:30 a.m. Meanwhile, DNA samples that are being collected from the family members of the deceased to ascertain the identity of the bodies, as the bodies were charred beyond recognition. After the DNA test, sources say it will take about 3 days for the bodies to be handed over to their respective families.
I'm totally shaken by the incident that has happened today near Ahmedabad airport. Very tragic and very, very horrific. And even till now, I have to say I'm in a state of shock. And also Honorable PM has called me and also told me to be there at the site and also look into the operations which is going on right now. And right now, if you ask me, I can only think about the passengers, their families. A lot of relief effort has been done already, right from Indian Army, NDRF, state police, medical departments, including aviation concerned departments. Everyone has attended immediately, the fire department. We are going to do a fair and thorough investigation.
10 ही मिनटों में हादसे के भारत सरकार के पास सूचना पहुंची। तुरंत ही मैंने मुख्यमंत्री जी, यहाँ के गृह मंत्री, होम डिपार्टमेंट के कंट्रोल रूम, सिविल एविएशन डिपार्टमेंट, सिविल एविएशन मंत्री, सभी से संपर्क किया। प्रधानमंत्री जी का भी तुरंत ही फोन आ गया और भारत सरकार और गुजरात सरकार के सभी डिपार्टमेंट एक साथ होकर राहत और बचाव कार्य में लगे। इसमें से एक यात्री का बचने का अच्छा समाचार मिला है, मैं उनको मिलकर आया हूं। मृत्यु का आंकड़ा तो डीएनए परीक्षण और यात्रियों की पहचान के बाद ही अथॉरिटी अधिकृत रूप से घोषित करेगी।
Well, according to